Okay, we have Joy now. Joy is reading a 352-page novel for her summer reading project. On Monday, she reads 3/8 of the novel. And on Tuesday, she reads 28 pages. Wednesday, she reads a quarter of it. What does the word of mean?
Part of it.
Well, yes, part of, but it means multiply. I'm asking that because we wrote this down in our notebooks. All right, so she reads 3/8 of the novel. Well, what's the novel? 352 pages. 28 pages on Tuesday and 1/4 of it on Wednesday. Here's how I would show my work. Number 27. I would write out Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. She has a 352-page book. Monday, she read 3/8 of it. Tuesday, she just read 28 pages. Yes. Wednesday, she read 1/4 of it. Of means to multiply, so I'm going to say 3/8 times 2. Yes. I'm not multiplying the fractions. The book isn't 1/4 of a page long. It's 352 pages long. So what am I multiplying by on Monday? 352. Huh? What am I going to multiply by on Wednesday? 352 again. Once I multiply all of these out, I'm going to get a page number. Number of pages on Monday. Number of pages on Wednesday. Yes. Absolutely. You'll get Monday and Wednesday combined. Would you like to go about it that route? Okay, well then let's do that. So, he said that we could take 3/8 and 1/4, find a common denominator, then what? Then add them. I'm combining Monday and Wednesday. Then multiply by 352. That way I don't have to multiply, then divide, and then over here multiply, which I just be multiplying by 1 and then divide. So he wants to do one swoop of multiplication and division. So that means we would take 3/8 plus 1/4. 3/8 is Monday. 1/4 is Wednesday. Add them together. What 8? How many 8s need to be over here? 2 8s. How many 8s is that all together? 5 8s. 5 8s of 352. What do I put 352 above? 1, because it's a whole number. Work it out. Tell me what it is. Well, tell your paper what it is.
Okay, really quickly, I want to go over these and what we're supposed to have done on them. Okay, I wanted to go over the word problems and the last half of the assignment. So, it says Michael needs 6.5 feet of metal flashing to complete a household project. He has 2 small pieces measuring 3 1/8 feet and 1 3/4 feet. He needs 6.5 feet. So how many feet of metal flashing does Michael need to purchase? So if he needs 6.5, but he has 3 1/8, you're going to add that to the 1 3/4. Then you're going to get a number. Then this number that you get right here, you're going to subtract from 6.5. For number 15, it says an eye doctor tracks the prescriptions of 6 patients. Oh, by the way, once you subtract that, you will have an answer. An eye doctor tracks the prescriptions of 6 patients. They are as follows: -2.5, +1/4, -1 1/4, -1.5, positive 1 1/4, and positive 1/2. What is the total strength of prescriptions for those 6 patients? What you looking for? I'm going to sort them out by positives and negatives. So I have a positive 1/4, a positive 1/2, and a positive 1 1/4. So now over here, I'm going to combine my negative numbers. Negative 2.5, negative 1.5, or 1.25, and negative 1.5 as well. I have a zero pair here. If I have $4 in my bank account and I spend 4, I'm left with 0. This is a positive 4 and a negative 4. If I have $8.50 in my bank account and I spend $8.50, I'm at 0 again. So over here, I have negative 1 1/4 and I have positive 1 1/4. So I'm going to cross those out and get 0. Then I will combine this like it is change and combine these like they are money, and I will find the difference between the two. This will be a different sign, so I will have to subtract. And I will get a negative number because this value will be larger. So what you're going to do next is you're going to add negative 2.5 to negative 1.5, and then you're going to add 1/4 plus 50 cents, and then you will subtract them and get a negative answer. Number 16. During a science experiment, Jose used a different amount of water to grow seedlings and then measured their growth. Plant A got the most water and grew 1 3/4 inches. Plant B got the least amount of water and grew negative 1/4 inches. Plant C got a medium amount of water and grew 2/3 inches. What was the total growth for all 3 plants? I'm going to have to add that. The best way to do this is to take 1 3/4 and subtract the 1/4. If I put a minus sign here, that still applies to the quarter. Okay? This is still negative 1/4 because I would keep change, and I would change this to a plus sign and make this negative. Then I would add 2/3. And you will get your answer there. 17. The volleyball club is raising money for a new net and equipment. They need $842.36 to purchase the swing set and have received a $300 donation. The remaining amount will be equally divided among 4 different fundraisers throughout the summer. How much money will each fundraiser need to raise in order to purchase the new net and the equipment? So I have this amount of money, what they need. I'm going to take what they need. I'm going to subtract my donation, and I'm going to split it into 4. And that's what I'll get. So this has a number of what they need. This has a number of what was donated, and then they will split it into 4, and then I will get a dollar amount that equals my answer here. Number 18, I'm on to multiplying and dividing rational numbers. So if I sing the song multiply or divide, it's an easy thought. Same signs are positive, different signs are not. So I'm going to make a little note up here to myself. Same signs are positive, different signs are not. And I'm going to go through each question and label what their sign is. So these are different signs. This will be negative. Same signs, this will be positive. Same, positive. Same, positive, different, negative, different, negative. Same, positive, different, negative, different, negative. Then I will operate as it says. So this says 16 times 12. This says 56 divided by 8. This is 16 times 9. This is 5.1 divided by 1.5. This is 9.1 divided by 2.6. This is 8.9 times 1.4. I'm not putting the decimals there on purpose. This says 6/7 times 3/4. I'm not going to write this one out because I need you to refer to your notes and remember what to do here. Here I will keep, change, flip. And here I will convert, then multiply. Down here at the bottom, last 4 questions. Joy is reading a 352-page novel for her summer reading project. I think I went over this at the beginning of the video, but I'm going to go over it one more time. On Monday, she read 3/8 of the book. The book is 352 pages long, so I'm going to multiply. On Wednesday, she read 1/4 of the book. So I'm going to take 1/4 and I'm going to multiply by 352. Then on Tuesday, she read 28 pages. These are page numbers. These are a number of pages. These are a number of pages. Find out what they are. Add them all together. So you're going to add Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and you're going to subtract this from the whole book. 352 minus all of these pages here added. And you will get your answer. Lainey walks 2 1/3 miles to school from her house and rides the bus home. If she walked 5 days last week, how many total miles did Lainey walk? Now I know this says total, which means to add, but if we're talking about multiplying and dividing, we're really referring to multiplication because that's repeated addition. So I'm going to repeatedly add 2 1/3 5 times. 2 1/3 times the number of days she walked. Convert, then multiply. Lastly, an art teacher is hosting a summer art camp. Well, not lastly, but second to last. He has a total of $180 to purchase snacks, drinks, and art supplies. He buys 45 bags of chips at 55 cents each and 45 juice boxes at 80 cents each. How much money does he have left to spend on the art supplies? So what I would do here is, since he's buying 45 of each, I would add this money together and then multiply by 45 because I'm assuming he has 45 students. So I'm going to say 80 cents plus 55 cents equals some money. This money I'm going to multiply by 45, and then I'm going to get, let's put a blank heart here. This will be an amount of money. Money, I love money. Okay, now I'm going to take $180 and subtract the amount that I put in the heart. Don't judge my hearts. I know I'm not drawing the best of them, but whatever. Then I will get my answer. Okay? I'm going to go right here. Now, lastly, for real. Felix signs up for a cell phone that his parents require him to pay for. His bill each month is $46.80. What impact, that means how will it change his savings account over the period of a year? Well, what is he paying? He's paying $46.80 per month. How much will this be for a year? And how will it affect his bank account? Remember, if I'm paying a bill, am I withdrawing money or am I depositing money? Withdrawing means to take away. Deposit means to add. All right, good luck. Make sure to submit your answers on Skyward. Have a great weekend.